I'm thinking about doing a pay what you can pricing model, uh, and three prices women can choose from, but capping the lowest price to a certain amount of people. Right. So there's a scholarship rate for those who can't afford the full amount, standard rate, the price that sustains this work, and a pay it forward rate that helps fund other women and support the vision. I'm hoping it will do two things. One, encourage women to not wait for until the last minute to sign up, right? Because there's only so many scholarship rates. Two, to encourage them to choose the middle or higher option if they're financially able to do so, so they don't take the lower price slots for those who truly need them. What are your thoughts? Any suggestions on deciding how many scholarship spots to make available? Whew. I'll tell you my experience over the years with Pay What You Can is that so I do just a completely open Pay What You Can. Like there's a $25 deposit for my day-long workshop. And at the end, people pay whatever they want to pay. But if they want to at the beginning or when they're signing up, there's two options. Pay what you can, or they can do a $300 flat payment, right? And so I just did a tour of Canada, 14 workshops, had over 400 people, and the average was $156, right? So it's just pretty dead center in the middle. That's what I find. Is just if you do a just blank pay what you can, most people go for the middle. If you give them three options, most people go for the middle. Although, of course, so very few people will go for the higher level. So I would just make sure. I think it's a great idea. I love this idea. It's worth the experiment. And I'd be really looking at what's the amount of money I want at the end of this. That is going to feel good. That if I get less than that amount of money, I'm going to feel sort of resentful of the whole thing. And then try the experiment and see if it works. Because if not, then sometimes like, okay, actually, we've got to raise the scholarship higher. We've got to raise the middle one higher and raise the higher one higher. Because I would just assume that whatever the amounts are for all three, on average, you're going to get the middle one. And if that really works for you, great. But these things that just they've got to be tried to see what actually happens, and then some tinkering involved.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.